Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra and this is Cindy Rose Artistry, where art meets life. Okay, I'm an artist. I do hair, I do makeup, and we also talk about a little bit of life on here. But today's video is gonna get into some hair. Okay, it's gonna get into some hair. And the hairstyle is, of course, these boho knotless braids on fine hair, because if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that is my specialty, is finding hairstyles for fine hair girlies, because I need braids and I need something that works for me, that doesn't pull my hair out, that don't make my hair look even more fine. And so this was a perfect style. This is definitely about to be one of my go-to styles. So yeah, let's get into it. So for the hair, I'm gonna be using the Cuban twist hair, and I think I got I don't know, I already threw the package away. I'm ready to go. I want to say it's like the 20. It's the long one, y'all. It's the long one, baby. Get you a long one. And then I got this signature bulk human hair 12A Remy Touch. I don't know. I just really got it for all this pattern. I just got it for that. I really like that, and I think it's gonna look like, you know, it's gonna look like some hair, but it's braids. I believe in it. Now, the best way to start off any type of braided hairstyle is parting your hair into 4 sections. You just get it done quicker somehow. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in 4 sections, and it's just gonna be straight back and then on the sides. And then I'm gonna start with the back. So you wanna take the Cuban twist hair and you wanna cut it in half so that you then have 2 pieces. And then once you have your 2 pieces, you're gonna take the end and kind of stretch it out. And then I'm gonna split the hair up into 4 pieces, or split it up based on your hair type. So if your hair is a little bit thicker, you may not need to split it up at all. And then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start with a piece of the Cuban twist hair, and I'm gonna split my hair into 3 pieces. Bend this Cuban twist hair in half, add it underneath, and start braiding. And this is gonna give you the knotless. And then I do about 2 or 3 stitches, and then I add the second piece. Then I'm gonna add the 3rd piece. Now, when I add this 3rd piece and I start doing a couple stitches to make sure, and stitches is just like braid, like you stitching it, you know? But once you get down to like a few and you got that 3rd piece in and it's secure, then you wanna take the human hair and just kind of bend it a little bit to where you have maybe more of it is hanging down. But you just want to bend the hair and you just want to add it in as you're braiding, but leave it out. So I'm just gonna wrap that over there, or actually and you see how leave it out like that. And I'm just gonna braid down a little bit more, and then when I get to a point to where like my braid is gonna pretty much almost end soon, I'm gonna add in a piece of the human hair at the very bottom, and then it's gonna give you that braid. So this is what I meant, like I braided it all the way down, and then I have the human hair at the end, and I'm just gonna put that to the side. And that way the ends kind of still has, the ends is not all braids, it still kind of has the human hair to it. So we're just gonna do that all the way around. turn on a movie and get going. This is the finished result. I just have it half up, half down. It's very full. So she definitely came out super cute, super full. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, tips, tricks. Girl, if you need help on life, if you need help on making some little passive income, girl, just click my other videos. I got you, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.